vast talent, massive prosperity in life, honor, rewards. That can be analyzed from the fifth house of birth chart or ninth house of birth chart. Both the fifth house and ninth house is very important, and the lordship. How the fifth house and ninth house lordship posited in the birth chart? Exalted sign, own sign, friend sign, that will give good results. Not only that, in the house, fifth house or in the ninth house, which planet is posited, how the planet have strength and lordship of the posited planet, that is also important. Suppose ninth house Lord posited in fifth house, 10th house Lord posited in fifth house, strengthen the charts. And when these planets are Jupiter or Saturn or Sun or Venus or Mercury, then will accelerate the intelligence, the talent of the native. So lordship, and how the lordship posited in the birth chart, exalted, own sign or friend sign, and the posited planet strength, and the aspect coming to the house, auspicious benefic aspect of Jupiter, Venus, Moon, accelerate the talented nature of the native. So aspect is the factor. And Raj Yoga within the Kendra house and Trikona house, that gives the good result to make the native famous personality in near future. Maybe a great scientist like Albert Einstein, Stephen Hawking, Isaac Newton. Maybe a great footballer like Diego Maradona, like Lionel Messi. Maybe the great intellectuals in movie, that is Satyajit Ray. Or maybe a excellent actor of movie or another theater or any of the platforms. Maybe a good writer. So the talents may come from different sources, but we have to analyze it from fifth house, ninth house and supporting house, where conjunction and Raj Yoga is there. Conjunction also giving good result. Suppose in the fifth house, Sun, Mercury conjunction is there, Buddhaditya Yoga, so easily native accelerate in life. Also the Panchamahapurush Yoga in the Kendro houses or Kendro Trikona exchange, that will strengthen the charts. So in this way we can analyze the talent of the native. The seeds, the talent inherently there, it will be flourished through the third house, communication, skill, sixth house, hard working, seventh house, connection with the people, ninth house, fortune, luck, 10th house, actual professions, and 11th house is success. In this way, the talent of the native is passing through the life journey and became the big personality. This is the Kalpurusha Kundali. In Kalpurusha Kundali, it is the fifth house and it is the ninth house. When fifth house and ninth house Lord exchange, then it is Raj Yoga. Or what happens? Fifth house Lord posited in first house, or fifth house Lord posited in fifth house itself. Similarly, ninth house also. Now in the chart, if first house, seventh house Lordship exchange, it is also a Raj Yoga and strengthen the charts. In sometime what happens? Second house, 11th house exchange is there. House of finance, house of gain or house of success. That is also strengthen the finance and earning of the charts. So any kind of relationship in the Kendra houses and trine houses strengthen the chart. When maximum number of planets are posited in Kendra or Trikona, that is also strengthen the charts of the native. Now in our discussion, the fifth house is the seeds of talent, and ninth house. These two houses are very important, and other supporting house also play important role for the native to prosperous in life, from the talented student to the big personality. Now coming to the example chart. Coming to the chart, Satyajit Ray, the famous director and producer of Indian cinema. He gets so much awards from Indian cinema. Not only that, he gets Oscar for lifetime achievement from Hollywood. So he is the great intellectual. Date of birth is 2 May 1921. Time of birth 4:36:41. Place of birth Kolkata. Ascendant is Arish, Mesh Lagna, and zodiac sign is Mesh, Kumbha Rashi. This is the birth chart of Satyajit Ray. In this chart, what happens? In this chart, in the fifth house of Leo sign, the Leo sign Lord is first house, exalted, Sun. So fifth house Lord Sun exalted in first house. So it is a one kind of Raj Yoga. Not only that, fifth house posited planet, Jupiter and Saturn. Jupiter is the lords of ninth house, posited in fifth house. Saturn is the lord of 10th and 11th house, posited in fifth house. That is another Raj Yoga. So many Raj Yoga is there in this chart. Not only that, the first house Lord Mars posited in second house, and second house Lord Venus posited in first house. Here is exchange of places between two planets. Here is also another Raj Yoga. So many Raj Yoga is there. In first house, there is Buddhaditya Yoga, Sun Mercury. So this chart is very strong. And going to the strong fifth house. Here the ninth house Lord posited in fifth house. Raj Yoga is there. So all the chart, almost all planets are very strong. Here in the trine house and Kendra house, here 7 planets is there. Only 2 planets, that is also in the strong house, second house and 11th house. So this is marvelous chart of highest intelligence. So much talented person Satyajit Ray is. That is from his birth chart. The chart of world best footballer Lionel Messi. His date of birth is 24th June 1987. Time of birth 12 a.m. midnight, Rosario, Argentina. Ascendant is Aquarius, Kumbha Lagna, and zodiac is Taurus, Bishop Rashi, Kumbha Lagna. Now, what is the unique in this chart? Here, the second house of finance, second house of speech, second house of happiness, and 11th house of gain, 11th house of success, Lordship goes to Jupiter. That Jupiter posited in third house of creation. It is the communication, willpower in the sign of Aries, friend sign. So Jupiter is very strong. That makes strong in wealth, strong in earnings. Not only that, also in success. All hurdles are there in the life of Lionel Messi, but he always covered it by the Saturn, that is his skill, his communications power. Now coming to the fourth house, here Venus is posited in his own sign Taurus. And opposite out 180 degree Scorpion sign posited Saturn. Saturn Venus conjunction is there. Saturn Venus conjunction always give too much wealth to the native. Not only that, Venus connected with Moon, Venus Moon conjunction is there. Moon is exalted here with. So this chart is very strong. Now coming to the actual point, fifth house, the talent. Ninth house, the fortune. Ninth house, fortune Lord posited in fourth house in his own sign, very strong. He is fortunate person. lucky person. Fifth house, the seeds of talent. The Gemini sign, Mercury itself posited here. So fifth house is very strong. Not only that, Mercury Sun in third house, third sign, Gemini makes Buddhaditya Yoga. That Buddhaditya Yoga is again strengthened by the Mars and three planets aspecting the house of success, Sagittarius sign. So this chart is very strong and he is a talented football player of the world. The chart of famous celebrity actor of Indian cinema. So much years he ruled the Bollywoods, Rajesh Khanna, the romantic film actors. Date of birth is 29th December 1942. Time of birth 1745. Place of birth Amritsar, Punjab. Here Gemini is the ascendant, Mithun Lagna. And zodiac is Leo, Singha Rashi, Mithun Lagna. What is the unique in this birth chart? In the ascendant lord of Gemini, that is Mercury, posited in 7th house of Sagittarius sign. And 7th house lords of Sagittarius sign, Jupiter is posited in 1st house. So exchange of place between Mercury and Jupiter making Raj Yoga. 1st house, 7th house. Not only that, the 5th house lord, Venus, it is posited in 7th house. And 7th house having direct Raj Yoga with the 1st house. So 1st house, 7th house, 5th house, direct connection is there. So he is a vast talented actor of Indian cinema. Now coming to the other portion of the chart. In the third house of effort, communication, willpower, Moon and Rahu is posited. Rahu is the third house, very strong, aspecting the 9th house. Rahu Moon conjunction is third house, not very good for happiness, but giving too much wealth. Rahu Moon conjunction in Leo sign. Not only that, in the 6th house, in Scorpion sign, own sign, Mars is posited, and opposite at 180 degree Taurus sign, Saturn is posited. So Saturn Mars conjunction is there in the chart of famous artist, film actor Rajesh Khanna. That conjunction Saturn must give no doubt struggle, but he overcome the struggle by the ascendant Jupiter aspecting 5th house of talent, 7th house of purple cooperation, 9th house of fortune. So Jupiter here makes important role. To the chart of great cricketer Sachin Tendulkar, one of the best cricketer of the world and India also. Date of birth 24th April 1973. Time of birth 14:25 to 2:25 p.m. Place of birth Mumbai. Ascendant is Leo, Singha Lagna. And zodiac is Sagittarius, Dhanu. Dhanu Rashi, Singha Lagna. This is the birth chart of famous cricketer Sachin Tendulkar. In this chart, what happens? The 5th house lord is Sagittarius sign, goes to Jupiter. That Jupiter posited in the 6th house, conjunct with Mars. Actually, in this chart, 6th house is Capricorn sign. Jupiter is debilitated. But owing to exaltation of Mars, debilitation of Jupiter is cancelled. So Jupiter gets strength, and not only that, it is Nich Bhango Raj Yoga. When there will be trouble in the career, the native can overcome the hurdles. This is the Nich Bhango Raj Yoga. In the 5th house of talent, Moon and Rahu is there. Moon is aspecting the 11th house of success. Not only that, in the 2nd house, house of finance, 11th house, house of gain, the two lords posited in the Pisces sign of 8th house, Mercury. Actually, Mercury is debilitated in Pisces sign, but 8th house debilitation is the Raj Yoga. Going to the debilitation in 8th house, it becomes a Raj Yoga to the native. So, native gets too much wealth and too much earning owing to this chart, owing to this Raj Yoga. Not only that, in the 9th house, Sun Venus conjunction is there, giving too much wealth, honor, rewards. Not only that, it is the Aries sign. So Sun is exalted. Exalted Sun and Venus aspect in the 3rd house of creation, communication, skill, willpower, media, that will accelerate it, and his talent is spread by the Sun, the vitality, the energy of the native. Here in the 10th house, Taurus sign, Saturn is posited in friend's house. Saturn in 10th house gives directional strength. So his working ability, his dedications, his hard working is so much in the cricket career. That's why he day by day take him in the elevated sphere of life. That is the blessing of Saturn. This is the chart of great cricketer of all time, Sachin Tendulkar.